Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a hollow square pattern plot. So let's start this. So this imports matplotlib.pyplot which is used to create plots. And now we'll define the dimension of the square. For that, here rows is equals to 5. This sets the height of the square and columns is equals to 5. This sets the width of the square. And now we'll initialize the plot. So for that, this creates a figure with a size of 6 into 6 inches to generate a hollow square. And now we'll generate a hollow square using nested loops to plot the dots. So for that we'll write So here the outer loop I iterates over the rows and the inner loop j iterates over the column. And if the condition ensures that the only border points are pointed. So here I is equals to 0 top row and I is equals to rows minus 1 bottom row and j is equals to 0 for the left column and j is equals to column minus 1 for the right column. And now So this places a orange dot at the coordinates j and minus I and s is equals to 800 controls the size of the dots and minus I ensures that the rows goes downward, adjusting the plot appearance. And now we'll set the axis limit for the plot. So here the x-axis limit ensures the square is centered horizontally and the y-axis limit ensures that the square is fully visible vertically. And now we'll remove the axis and adjust the aspect ratio. So for that we'll write so this removes the grid lines and the axis labels for a clean display. And this ensures the equal spacing between the plots. And now at last we'll display and show the plot. And this shows and displays the plot. So now we can check this. So we can see a hollow square pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.